Hello everyone. Here we are going to see about the unit to continuation part. So in this presentation we are going to see what are the models of professional roles are available and what are the theories we have to follow in the ethical theories in the right actions. Then we are going to see about the utilitarian theory in a brief explanations. So the first thing will be the models of professional roles. So we all know that the promotions of the public goods will be from the professional engineers. So there are several role models have been found in engineers which have been attracted. So most of the models will be thinking their attitudes, actions, everything. So there will be the first thing will be the savior. So savior means that is the engineers will have the savior to save the society from poverty, illiteracy, wastage, inefficiency, ill health, human dignity, and lead it to the technological development and social planning. So for example, we can say R.L. Stevenson. Second thing will be the guardian. So guardian means they will guard the interest of the poor and general public. So most of them has who can conversant with the technology development, and it is given the authority which who is benefiting the expertise to determine what is suited for the society. For example, we can say that Lawrence of Arabia, an engineer, is the main example for this models of professional roles. And the third thing will be the bureaucratic servant. So it means that the servant will serve the organization and employers. So the management of the enterprise will fix goals and assign the job of problem for solving the engineers. Next will be the social servant. So social servant means that is it is one who have been exhibited the social responsibility, and the engineers will translate their interest and aspirations of society in reality, and remembering that true master in a society at large places. For example, M. Vishweshwaraya sir will be the example for social servant. Second thing, next will be the social enabler and catalyst. So it means that the one can who change their society with the technology, and the engineers will assess their management process to understand the needs and inform the decisions which has been taken in the technological development. They would have been minimize the negative effects of technology in a living environment. They will shine their social enabler and the catalyst for further growth. For example, Sri Sundarlal Baguna is the one of the example for a social enabler and a catalyst. And the last thing will be the game player. So that is it is neither a servant nor master. So the engineers can be a assertive player, and they will have play the who may carry out their master's voice, and how they can play a unique role in a successful manner in the organizations. Theories about the right actions, that is the ethical theories. So what are the uses and what are the criteria we have to follow in the theories about the right actions means first we have to understand the moral dilemma. For that we can provide the clarity, consistency, systematic and comprehensive understanding. Second thing, we have to follow the ethical theories aid in identifying the moral consideration or reasons which will constitute a dilemma. And third thing will be the ethical theories which will provide the more precise sense of kinds of informations which are relevant to solving the moral dilemmas. And the last thing will be it will provides the practical guidance in moral issues, and sometimes for that we can provide solutions. So this will be ranked to the relevant moral consideration in order to provide the importance of guidance in solving the moral problems. In the theories that suggest a general priority of obligation to the public, there will be the special importance of rights to life and concern concerning the risk to one's life. So the importance of the duties is to protect the vulnerable public. And the third thing will be the degree of immorality. So it should be have the risk of death, which should be compared with the economic benefits to the corporation. It also justify the professional obligations and decisions. So by providing the framework for development and moral arguments, it should have strengthened our ability to reach the balanced and insightful judgments. In relating to the ordinary professional morality, the theory's argument that is the precision with which we use the moral terms can provide the frameworks for moral reasoning that will disguise the moral issues. So these will be compared with their alternative methods. Different criteria have been applied for evaluating the various ethical theories. That is, the theory must be clear so that we can formulate the concepts and concepts in a logical manner. We have to internally consistent with the principles of conflicts. Third thing, the theory and its defense must be depend upon the facts. And fourth thing will be it must organize their basic moral values in systematic and manner. So it will fix the priority of values and provides the guidance in all the situations. It must provide guidance for the moral convictions. For example, if an ethical theory says that all the rights for the engineers has been explosive means, it will be informed to the public. So we can conclude that the theory is inadequate or not. So the theories have been having the judgments which is carefully adjusted to the others. So we can reach the reflective equilibrium. Most of the theories will converge towards the welfare of humanity. So the duties of ethics and different concerns will be providing the emphasis of a complementary levels. So ethical theories are approaches. There are several ethical theories which has been developed in our different times. So most of the stresses and the ethical theories will be the principles of futures. So we can say that each stresses can view their times. So it will have the coverage of ethics in deciding the actions and justifying their results. Next we are going to see about the utilitarian theory. So the term utilitarian should be invented in the year of 19th century by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill, who have helped to determine the laws morally. So they have suggested that the standard of the right conduct is maximized and good consequences should be in a balance of good evil. So this approach will be the weight cost and benefits. It should have the actions of producing the greatest satisfaction on preferences of the affected person. So the term utilitarianism will be from by Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill have to legislate the determinant laws. So the good consequences mean either the utilities that have been having the balance of good over evil. So this will be followed in a particular manner. Next thing, we have to approach the cost and benefits of the utilitarian theory, so that it can produce most of the satisfaction to the approach. So we can identify the various courses of actions that are available in the utilitarian theory. Then we can affect by each actions that will be harmful for each and every theory. So we can choose the actions that have been provided for the benefits. That theory of actions will be provides the greatest good for greatest number. So the act utilitarian theory proposed by J.S. Mill, who has focused on the actions of general rules. So it should generate the most overall goods for most of the people to involved. So the rule utilitarian has been developed by Richard Brandt in the year of 1910 to 97. So they have stressed more to do not steal, do not harm others, do not bribe, and do not give a nice of explanations. So this will be suggested the individual actions and rights. So the act of utilitarian theory has been premises in the immoral actions. So most of the utilitarian theory has been developed their rules and justices. For example, stealing their old computers from the employer and can employ the more employer for their loss of employees. So rule utilitarian has can be observed the wrong thing that they can be a faithful agent or a trustee of the employees. So in other example, we can identify that in undisciplined engineers, we can terminate the blames with the mistakes and committed in the utilitarian theory. So the process is unfair, which could be a result in the promotion of overall good things.